In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Power BI to an Oracle database step by step. If you're excited to start visualizing your data in new and meaningful ways, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each stage of the process, making sure you're set up for success. First things first, open Power BI on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you can easily download it from the official Microsoft site. The installation process is straightforward and should take just a few minutes. Once Power BI is up and running, you're ready to begin the connection process. Next, head over to the Home tab in Power BI. Here, you'll find a variety of options to bring data into your workspace. Look for the Get Data button. It's usually hard to miss. This is the command center for connecting to different data sources. Click on Get Data, and a window will pop up showcasing a list of data source options. You'll notice there are quite a few choices, but don't worry, you can narrow it down quickly. Type Oracle into the search box at the top of this window. Doing this will filter the available data sources, allowing you to find Oracle database without having to scroll through long lists. Once you come across Oracle database, go ahead and select it. Now it's time to connect. Click on the Connect button to initiate the connection with your Oracle database. At this point, Power BI will prompt you to enter specific details about the Oracle database you want to access. Typically, this includes server information such as the host name or IP address, the port number, and sometimes even specific credentials if your server requires login details. Make sure you've gathered all this information ahead of time. The connection process might take a moment as Power BI communicates with your Oracle database. Once connected, Power BI will display a list of available tables and views from your Oracle database. You'll be able to choose which tables you want to import into Power BI, allowing you to focus on the data that's most relevant to your analysis. With your data loaded into Power BI, you can now start creating dynamic and insightful reports, leveraging the robust set of tools that Power BI offers. Remember to save your work frequently and explore the various visualization options that Power BI provides to make your data come alive. And there you have it, a simple and